Hey guys, hope you've all had a great week. I'm down here at headquarters and I'm looking through some parts which I thought were going to be machines by now. They're very pretty, there's lots of them around, but I don't quite know what's going on. So join me as I go and seek out the professionals of construction and find out what is going on with this new grinder. We've got parts. I thought we were going to be seeing a new grinder today. Not pieces of a new grinder. So what's going on?
We're part way there.
I see lots of parts. I thought we were going to be all the way there. That's kind of what I was expecting to show today because, you know, Christmas is just around the corner.
We were kind of hoping, well, it would have been nice to have them in the container we sent a few weeks ago.
It would.
That was kind of the first plan, wasn't it?
The initial goal, yes.
Sent it with the rest of the stuff for WOC. I mean, after all, WOC's kind of about these machines.
Yeah.
So we're not quite there, Hayden. We've got lots of parts.
We've got a lot of parts.
Look, 4 months ago, we were just talking about before, 4 months ago we made an announcement that we were going to, it's only 4 months, we were going to set this big
goal.
Big, ambitious, bodacious goal to have a machine at the World of Concrete. It was a
climb.
Shoot for the star climb kind of thing. We've been doing nothing but, working on parts and drawings.
So we've been doing nothing.
We've been doing nothing for 4 months. So here we are, we find ourselves, it's literally, what is the date today?
It is the 17th.
17th of December. Now, that's a big deal for us here in Australia because 17th of December, it's just before our Christmas period. Now, in Australia, for our Northern Hemisphere viewers, Christmas and our summer vacation period coincide together. So come end of the week before Christmas, so this year it's going to be the 20th, pretty much every industry shuts down for Christmas holidays. So our laser cutters, our powder coaters, our zinc platers, our engineers, our fastener suppliers, every single vendor that we use for anything that we do here at Works Plus are gone in
for 3 weeks, basically.
2 days' time.
Yeah.
Because Friday is everyone's having their Christmas break up.
Yep.
So Thursday afternoon, tools down for everyone, ovens turned off, machines shut down. Friday's a great day, hospitality, and then we go into Christmas. And we don't come back till
6th of Jan for a lot, and a lot of them go a bit further into the middle of Jan. So it's a good 2 to 3 weeks.
So we got 2 days to squeeze and eke whatever we still can out of our supplies where necessary to try and turn these things and these bits and pieces over here into parts. Sorry, into machines. Finished parts in the machines,
That's right. Yeah, we've been working tirelessly trying to get our supplies over the line with this. So I think we're going to make it.
I'm curious though, Hayden, and probably some of our viewers might be too. We've got parts that are raw here. We've got parts that are in different phases of completion and surface coating. We've got a partially assembled head by the looks over here. Tell us a little bit about the construction. Why do we end up with parts that are completely finished? Some parts that are actually assembled into bits and some bits that are still raw. How is this played out in our design and manufacturing process?
You can tell the parts we like best. The big part of it is we initially started out with the head, effectively. So we designed the head and then we had to build the chassis and everything around that. So as we've been ticking off items that we've been working on, obviously everyone's seen Frank and the progression of how different Frank looks to a normal machine. We've slowly been finishing bits and pieces along the way, and as we're doing that, trying to get all of them in. So a head partially almost complete, chassis components here and there, internal parts here and there. So it's kind of just been a stepping stone from one part to the next, and really trying to make sure that the next part doesn't affect the one you've just done.
So basically doing design, drawing releases in stages, and hoping that whatever came in the 5th or 6th stage is going to make and marry up and work with whatever we've already built from the first stage, right?
Yep.
Because we couldn't design the whole thing in one hit. It was just going to take too long to get all the parts and everything made. So this gradual release of drawings and parts And literally the last 2 weeks we've been having parts come in several times a day.
Yes.
And the same days have been turned around. They've been going out to metal fabricators, they've been going to powder coaters. I was at a zinc plater at 6 o'clock this morning waiting for them to open their roller door so we can get stuff through in the last 2 days of this month.
The big push.
How are we tracking?
Pretty good. Pretty good. I mean, we've got some powder coated parts.
That's a lot more
We've
positive.
You know, it's when do they have to go again?
Well, that's right. Your carry on. What's the...
2 extra suitcases, and I'm just going to take this pallet. You're on the rest. So yeah, no, look,
I'll be going on diet.
It's still going to be a big push. It really is. It's there's going to be no stopping for us. We're going to have to work right through to get this to happen. So it's all hands on deck. When everyone else is closing and going away to have Christmas, we'll probably do a Christmas roast here, I reckon.
Our team building exercise this Christmas is actually going to be the team building.
The machines.
It's a team building with a different twist this year.
That's right.
But look, Hayden's still smiling. I'm doing my best to smile. So hopefully we'll still be smiling on the 21st. Is 21st of January? Is that when when the show opens up?
First day of the show,
And when we're hopefully we'll be seeing you guys on a concrete pad somewhere in Las Vegas. Hopefully in the convention centre.
Yeah, not just out the back somewhere, because that's as far as I made it. Yeah, okay. I'm going to push hard.
Well, we'll keep pulling favours where we can. I know there's a few suppliers out there that we're still leaning on and still sweating. It's a very hot time of the year here in Australia. We had 40 degrees yesterday, which is over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So had metal fabricators welding and grinding and sweating their backsides off for us to get things done.
Powder coaters with ovens running.
Not to mention all our people here scrambling to make things happen as well. So
no, it's been good for the whole team jumping in, everyone.
Yep.
So
that's the current state of play.
Yeah.
Still lots of work to do. It's all part of the fun.
That it is.
As long as we can keep smiling, we might just get there.
We will. We'll get there.
So, that's the update from Works Plus, the grinder project. Hope to see you guys at WOC. With something to show. Otherwise, we'll just be standing around on TV watching reruns of the Grinder video series, talking about what could have been.
What could have been, that's right.
Thanks, guys. We'll catch you then.
I don't even know where this stuff goes, but I do know we've got a long road to travel still. And if you're anything like us, you've been pushing to the last minute of this year. So we hope that you have a very, very good Christmas. And if you're lucky enough to be in Vegas for the World of Concrete, we hope to see you there with all of this stuff resembling a whole lot more of what you had imagined in your minds, as I did too. Thanks, guys. Have a very Merry Christmas. We'll see you in the new year with this all assembled. Promise?